In the Home tab, you'll see the button Case Setup. On clicking it, we'll get the Case Setup dialog box. The Case Setup decides what type of simulation should occur. Since this is a four-wheeled, our simulation will generally run the vehicle at a given input speed at the given time. Here, by default, we have the FTP75 and the US06 drive cycles. The FTP75 drive cycle is a type of emission test performed by the EPA or Environmental Protection Agency to determine the tailpipe emissions for vehicles. The second one is the US06 drive cycle. The US06 is also another type of drive cycle that was developed to address the shortcomings with the FTP75 test cycle. Here, the vehicle is driven aggressively at high speeds with high accelerations. This is done to determine how much emissions the vehicle might release at such aggressive driving conditions. You can take a look at both the drive cycles by double-clicking on their text in green. For example, let's double-click the US06 drive cycle. This will give us an X and Y plots with time in the X plot and speed of the vehicle in the Y plot. As we mentioned, you can notice how aggressive the driving for this test is. The car is stationary for the first 5 seconds and it is suddenly accelerated to 41 km per hour at 13 seconds. You can scroll down the table and see how the chart and values in the table relate. We are not going to simulate either one of them as they take quite some time to run and give results in post-processing if you don't have a PC with high specifications. In the top right of the dialog boxes, we have cases. Let's click it and choose the option Insert Case. This will create a new case for us. Let's rename the case as Tutorial and change the initial speed to 0. Now press the 3 dots button next to the grey US06 text. This will open a value selector dialog box. Here we can choose if we want FTP75 or US06. Since we want neither of it, let's right-click on Profile Transient and press Create New Object. This will give us a new blank template to work on. Let's create a simple plot of our own. Here, under Time, let's give 0. And under Y Data, let's give 0. Again, under Time, it's 20. And under Y Data, it is 50. We'll just fill the table with data of our own now. Once we have filled all the required data, let's enter our object name. Let's press OK. You can now either choose to perform simulation on the first two cases, or you can choose not to perform simulation by clicking the checkbox. Let's click the checkboxes and turn the FTP75 and US06 cases off. Or you can even delete them from the Cases option. Let's click OK and close the dialog box.